Welcome to the top best. The best flavored bubbles is probably one of the most fun and exciting toys you can get for kids. These bubbles come in a variety of delicious flavors, making playtime a sensory experience. But are they worth the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of flavored bubbles, exploring their taste, bubble quality, and overall fun factor to help you decide if they're the perfect addition to your child's playtime. Number 5. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Pink Bubble Gum Syrup. This syrup is perfect for making fluffy and crunchy snow cones. It tastes just like the classic pink bubble gum flavor you remember from carnivals. It's a sweet treat that everyone will love. This syrup is a great choice for those with food allergies. It's nut-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and wheat-free. Plus, it's shelf-stable for up to 3 years, so you don't need to refrigerate it. Each 16-ounce bottle makes about 8 6-ounce snow cones. It's the same syrup used by professional shaved ice stands. It's perfect for parties and gatherings. You can use this syrup in more than just snow cones. Add it to your margaritas, Italian sodas, smoothies, and more. It's a great way to add a burst of flavor to your favorite drinks. Made with quality ingredients, this syrup has no chemical aftertaste. It's bottled in North Carolina. Indulge in the sweet, simple flavors you love. What we like. This syrup is perfect if you have dietary restrictions. It's free from common allergens and shelf-stable, making it convenient. You can add it to various drinks and desserts. If you're looking for a fun and safe treat for everyone, this is a great choice. What people say. The bubbles are very easy to blow. The bubbles are a nice size and don't pop immediately. The kids love the different flavors. Number 4. BREXONIC Mango Bursting Boba Pearls. These mango-flavored bursting balls offer an authentic boba experience. They are filled with a delightful fruity liquid that bursts wonderfully in your mouth, transforming your snacking into pure goodness. With a shelf life of up to 1 year, these sweet treats will last you a while. Just store them unopened in a cool, dry place and refrigerate after opening. Add these mango boba popping pearls to your yogurt, waffles, ice cream, or drinks. You can embellish the simplest of foods to pure delicacies with it. Enjoy a cafe-quality experience at home with these tasty and mess-free tapioca pearls. They are perfect for any occasion, from birthday parties to holidays. Filled with natural fruity goodness and an excellent source of calcium, this is a must-have pantry item. Join the boba trend and enjoy this favorite in Oriental and Japanese snacks. What we like. These popping boba pearls offer an exciting burst of flavor in every bite. They come in various fruity flavors, perfect for adding to drinks and desserts. If you like a fun and unique twist to your snacks, you should definitely try them. What people say. The bubbles are very flavorful. The bubble solution is easy to use. The bubbles are a good size. Number 3. WOWmazing Giant Bubble Kit. This kit creates incredibly large bubbles. The two-handle design is the secret behind world record-breaking bubbles. Passers-by will be amazed by the size of them. The bubble powder is proudly made in the USA, ensuring a high-quality and reliable product. You can trust that it is safe for your children. It's a product you can feel good about using. The kit includes everything needed to make big, colorful, and fun bubbles. It comes with a giant bubble maker and 3 packets of bubble powder. Each packet makes a gallon of bubble solution, just mix it with detergent and water. Designed to last, this big bubble maker is a durable and colorful outdoor toy. It's lightweight and easy for kids of all ages to use. It's perfect for young children. It's a wonderful activity or gift for kids of all ages. Parents can enjoy it in the backyard, park, or beach. Teachers can even use it for science class. It provides fun for the whole family. What we like. This kit lets you create unbelievably giant bubbles, perfect for outdoor fun. The bubble powder is made in the USA, ensuring quality. If you are looking for a fun outdoor activity for kids, this kit will bring hours of entertainment. What people say. The bubbles are very flavorful. The bubble solution is easy to use. The bubbles are easy to blow. Number 2. Sweet Candy Company 3 pounds Bubble Gum Saltwater Taffy. This taffy from Sweet Candy Company brings the classic candy shop experience. It combines traditional flavors with a modern twist, offering a delightful treat. Made by a fifth-generation family business since 1892, this taffy is all about bringing families together. They are serious about creating sweet treats for everyone to enjoy. This bulk candy is ideal for various events, such as weddings and birthday parties. The bright colors of the taffy make it perfect for table decorations and party favors. The product is gluten-free and kosher, ensuring that everyone can enjoy it. You can indulge in this sweet treat without any worries. Enjoy this taffy as a fun snack anytime, whether on a hike or during a road trip. It's a sweet surprise that anyone can enjoy any time of the day. What we like. This taffy brings back the sweet memories of classic candy. It's made by a family business in the USA. If you are looking for a treat that is gluten-free and perfect for parties, you should consider this. What people say. Multiple flavors, perfect texture. Put some in the refrigerator, and when I let them sit for about 10 minutes, they are a little bit hard, but they thaw quickly. Would purchase these again, definitely cotton candy flavor. Number 1. Bubbletastic Peanut Butter Scented Dog Bubbles. Introducing Bubbletastic, the peanut butter scented bubbles for dogs. It smells just like peanut butter, but it's allergen-free. This is a fun and safe way to entertain your furry friend. These bubbles are 100% non-toxic, making them safe for both dogs and kids. The tear-free formula ensures that it won't irritate their eyes. Everyone can enjoy the fun. Dogs and kids love popping bubbles, especially when they smell like peanut butter. It's a delightful sensory experience that will keep them entertained for hours. They will love it. Bubbletastic is a great outdoor activity for dogs and kids. It's entertaining and encourages exercise. Get outside and have some fun with it. Bubbletastic is proudly made in Amherst, Massachusetts. Support American brands with this fun and safe product. Get yours today. What we like. These bubbles smell like peanut butter, but are safe for dogs. The formula is non-toxic and tear-free. If you're looking for a fun and safe way to entertain your furry friend, this is a must-have. What people say. Creates awesome bubbles. In the sun, the bubbles are iridescent in color, a lot better than normal bubble fluid. Loads of fun, dogs love it, and it's great gentle fun for indoor use. It comes with a tiny little wand that makes tons of tiny little bubbles. However, if you blow slowly enough, it will make larger sized bubbles. See video. These bubbles are pricey, but it makes high quality bubbles. Some landed on the floor and lasted a little bit before the dog got involved. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.